airport. Snow had to be cleared from the runway before flights could take off and land. Parts of Gloucestershire, Oxfordshire, Buckinghamshire and Suffolk have also been affected. So let's get the latest then with Thomas. I thought all this weather was going to go away. What is that telling us?
That's telling us that there's a lot more where that came from, I can tell you. Winter's certainly not over yet. In fact, this week we could see more troublesome wintry weather. And in fact, we have a weather watch from the Met Office. I think most of us are probably going to have the heavy rain, but some of us will also have that troublesome snow. And what's been happening so far today is you can see the pool of blue. That's the cold air. The mild air is to the south, where you have this intersection of the cold and the milder weather. That's where you have the snow. And you can see as we go through the course of the week, this intersection between the relative cold and mild drifts northward. So towards the end of the week, it's more northern parts of Britain that will get the snow. What's left over the snow today? Well, it's just across the southeast and east Anglia. It's in the process of fizzling away, so no major disruptive snow expected this afternoon. And certainly the weather really has improved across the southwest of the country, because it's been raining here as well this morning and this afternoon. A bit of brightness coming through, and that's certainly the case for Wales and indeed Northern Ireland. Although in Northern Ireland it has been a little bit on the misty, foggy side in places with some low cloud, but there's a bit of sunshine coming through as well. How about Scotland? But for a change, it's not been snowing here. It has been very cold, though. It was a very cold morning in the Glens. Will be another cold night, but brightness around. And for most of northern England, it's a bright picture this afternoon, and then as we head towards the Midlands, the thicker the cloud will be. So, for this evening, we say goodbye to the wintry weather, only very, very temporarily. The skies will clear tonight, so a widespread frost will develop. Probably, if you think of a line from Norwich to Cardiff, everywhere north of that will have a frost. Towards the south, should be frost-free because clouds are increasing, and when clouds are increasing, that often means another weather front on the way. And again, deja vu weather tomorrow, because this weather front once again will give a grim start to the day across the south, some breezy conditions too, and once again that weather front will, or its rain that is, will bump into the colder air. We've got this reservoir of cooler air across northern parts of the UK, so snow across Wales, and then indeed later on tomorrow, once again, round two of winter weather, snow across the Midlands, into, say, the Manchester area, the South Pennines and Lincolnshire, so keep in touch with the weather forecast. Could be significant cover there as well. And then as we head through the middle part of the week, I think probably from Wednesday onwards, it's Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland that's in the risk for the snow. Towards the south, we've got these pulses of rain, windy conditions. In summary, it's going to be an unsettled week. There'll be periods of rain and snow, even a bit of flooding across southern parts of the UK, so it'll be